What's up YouTube, it's Rob's Review again. I'm just going to show you today on some LED lighting, strip lighting for cabinets. I'm going to fit in these ones here just now. These are remote control ones. Wired into the mains light switch. Took the plug off the end there and just wired it into the switch line. What I want to show you is these corner brackets, these little corner pieces that you can get from eBay. And what they are is just like a little extender piece. Pop the end off, like that, and you've got two little sets of teeth. See that there? And all you do on your LED lighting, every now and again you'll see a copper strip like that, which is where you can cut. So you cut that with a pair of scissors, and then you fold back the rubber gel away from the copper strip, okay, and then you just cut the rubber gel off like so, and all you do is just make sure you've got it around the right way. If you notice on there you've got 12 volt and then your RGB for your colours, and on the same on your strip there you've got your 12 volt or your plus and then your RGB. So just make sure you get that round the right way and then the lights will be perfect. So you literally just slot that in there behind, make sure you get all the pins. I've missed one there, look. Make sure you get behind all the pins. It's easier said than done sometimes. There we go. So we're all on there. Close the lid, and there's your L bracket there for your LED lighting.